welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to make 3 varieties of muffins. I'll be making the mixed dried fruits muffins, some pecan nut muffins, and chocolate chunk muffins. To make the mixed fruit muffin, I have some mixed dried fruit, caster sugar, eggs, milk, melted butter or vegetable oil, pinch of salt, self-raising flour, nutmeg, and baking powder. I also have the muffin tins, and you can either grease that or lay it out with some muffin cases. To make the muffins, I'm going to use the all-in mixing method, which means adding all the ingredients except the nut or the chocolate chips, which we'll be mixing at the end. So I'm adding in the sugar into my mixing bowl, my nutmeg, baking powder, and the self-raising flour. I'm adding in the eggs, the milk, the melted butter, and a pinch of salt. Mix the mixture into a soft batter. You can either use a wooden spoon or you can use your mixing machine or a hand whisk if you have one. Add the dried mixed fruit and mix in. Place the muffin cases into your muffin pan or grease the muffin pan and add spoonfuls of the batter into your cases. Bake at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. The muffins are ready. I'm going to place them on cake wire to enjoy.